thanks for joining me. For those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you might remember that I did this piece which had been inspired by Sherry Moulton. And today I wanted to do something shiny and sparkly again. So for today's piece, I'm going to be using a 16 by 20 inch canvas that's roughly 40 by 50 centimeters. And to create the background, I'm going to be using Rust-Oleum metallic silver as well as their gold spray paint. I'm starting off with the silver, and here I'm really just trying to cover the whole canvas in silver. Now I'm trying to make some slightly more pronounced stripes on the canvas. So now we are ready for the Rust-Oleum metallic gold. I'm trying to get some gold around the edges of the canvas. And then I'm adding some more pronounced gold lines. Okay, so I'm back indoors, the spray paint is dry and we're ready to get started with the glittery part. I'm going to be using Mod Podge, the gloss version, to glue on the various glitters and the crushed glass. I'm applying it using a foam brush, just to the areas where I want the glitter to go. As always, I will list all the colours and products that I use in the description box, so you can find everything there. This is Recollections Extra Fine Glitter in Gold, and I'm just trying to get some good coverage with this. This is Glass Glitter by Recollections, and it's in vintage gold. Finally, this is Crushed Glass by ZenQ. The reason I put a decent amount of Mod Podge down to start with was really so that there would be enough to secure these bigger pieces of crushed glass to the canvas. After giving this a day to dry, I'm shaking off any excess glitter and crushed glass to see how it turns out. Well, I like it, but to me it really seems like the crushed glass section really needs to be bigger. So I'm gonna basically repeat exactly what I just did, just to get some more coverage on the canvas. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.